Welcome to our exploration of hidden gems and family activities in downtown LA. In this video, we'll uncover some of the most delightful spots that often fly under the radar. From quirky parks to secret art installations, we promise you'll find something to spark joy for the whole family. Get ready for a fun-filled adventure as we share laughs and tips on how to make the most of your time in this vibrant city. So grab your kids, and let's dive into the unexpected treasures waiting for you. Exploring Grand Park. Grand Park is a true oasis in the heart of downtown LA, boasting stunning gardens and mesmerizing fountains that will leave you in awe. Families can enjoy a variety of events from movie nights under the stars to interactive art installations. Just the other day I attempted a picnic there, only to have my sandwich fly away like it was auditioning for a superhero movie. But hey, that's part of the fun, right? So pack your snacks and get ready for a day filled with laughter and beautiful scenery. The magic of the Last Bookstore. Welcome to the Last Bookstore, a literary wonderland that's unlike any other. This unique destination features quirky book sculptures and captivating art installations that will ignite your imagination. Families will love the cozy reading nooks scattered throughout, perfect for curling up with a good book. I once got lost in the book maze thinking I'd found the secret to Narnia, only to emerge 30 minutes later with a stack of novels and a newfound appreciation for maps. It's a place where every corner holds a delightful surprise. Family fun at the California Science Center. The California Science Center is a treasure trove of interactive exhibits that will captivate the whole family. One of the main attractions is the awe-inspiring space shuttle endeavor, which is sure to spark curiosity in young minds. Kids of all ages can dive into hands-on activities from building rockets to exploring ecosystems. Just the other day, I tried a science experiment that involved vinegar and baking soda, and let's just say my kitchen looked like a mini volcano erupted. Science is all about trial and error, right? Get ready for a day of fun and learning. Olvera Street is a vibrant celebration of cultural richness that's perfect for families. Stroll through colorful shops filled with unique crafts and souvenirs, and don't miss the delicious food stalls offering mouth-watering tacos and churros. The street comes alive with family-friendly cultural events and performances, showcasing the best of Mexican heritage. I once tried to eat a taco while walking, and let's just say it turned into a game of catch the falling toppings. But that's all part of the fun. Come hungry and ready for a delightful adventure. Welcome to the Arts District, a vibrant creative hub bursting with color and inspiration. As you wander through the streets, you'll be captivated by the stunning murals and street art that adorn nearly every wall. Families can explore various art galleries and even participate in workshops designed for all ages, making creativity accessible to everyone. I once stood in front of a modern art piece, scratching my head, wondering if I was missing the deeper meaning, only to realize it was just a pile of old shoes. Embrace the fun and let your imagination run wild. The Natural History Museum is a fantastic destination for families, showcasing incredible exhibits that will spark curiosity in kids and adults alike. Marvel at the towering dinosaur skeletons that seem to come to life, and don't miss the interactive displays that let you dig for fossils or explore ecosystems. The museum also offers special family programs and events that make learning fun. I once watched a kid get so fascinated by the bug exhibit that he declared he wanted to be a bug doctor. I guess that's one way to make a living. Get ready for a day of discovery. The Walt Disney Concert Hall is a masterpiece of architectural beauty that will leave you in awe. Its stunning exterior with sweeping curves and gleaming metal is just as impressive as its world-renowned acoustics. Families can enjoy a variety of concerts and events designed to entertain all ages, making it a perfect outing for music lovers. I once tried to find the entrance and ended up doing a mini tour of the entire block. Who knew a concert hall could be so elusive? Just remember, it's worth the adventure to get inside. In this video, we've explored some fantastic family activities in downtown LA, from the lush landscapes of Grand Park to the quirky charm of the Last Bookstore. We highlighted the interactive fun at the California Science Center and the vibrant culture of Olvera Street. These hidden gems offer unforgettable experiences for families looking to create lasting memories. So, get out there and discover all that downtown LA has to offer. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share it with fellow adventurers. Happy exploring!